Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel Persian Land. This is Dr. Maide. I teach you Persian language. In some clips before, I taught you the names of vegetables and fruits in Persian language. You can find the link here. In today's lesson, we learn the name of another delicious fruit in Persian language. This fruit is called beh. This fruit is called beh. To support us at Persian Land, please share our videos with those learning Persian and encourage them to subscribe too. میبینید که میوه های زیادی روی این درخت به هست. این میوه ها به هستند. یکی از میوه ها هم الان افتاد. من این میوه رو میخوام بچینم. این میوه رو میچینم و میبینید که روی میوه به کرک هست. ما این کرک رو جدا میکنیم، کرک ها رو میکنیم و بعد میوه قابل خوردن میشه.
It is a deciduous tree that bears hard, aromatic, bright, golden yellow plum fruit similar in appearance to a pear. It is believed that eating quince fruit during pregnancy makes the fetus and child beautiful. So, if a lady wants a beautiful child, she shouldn't forget eating quince fruit during pregnancy. Ripe quince fruits are hard and sour. They are sometimes eaten raw, but are processed into marmalade, jam, paste known as quince cheese or juice.
If you have learned even one thing from this clip, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to learn more.